All right, so here we have Bitcoin on Bybit on the 1 hour. Let's go here. Um, so yeah, let me refresh this real quick. We are hanging on by a thread. By a thread. I mean, we're approaching 20K. We break 20K. We're probably going to 19 first. Maybe get a bounce there. In between 18 and 19 is what I'm looking at, though, if we do break 20K. Obviously, I would be looking at 18K even more. MACD, fresh cross to the downside. Negative momentum is increasing. We did have a retest of the signal line, resumption down deep in the bearish control zone on the RSI. Vol is expanding. As you see, your BBWP is in this upper zone still going up. So let's look at the bearish and bullish cases. Bullish case, best case scenario for me is that we get a range. And possibly a move up to the 100. I do not expect this thing to go above 25,000 if we even get a bounce up there. Best case scenario for me right now is that we get some sort of range. We have not really got a bounce yet. So that'd be the bullish case. We need to get back to this 50. If we can get above this 21 and this level in the VPVR, that's going to look better. I mean, we need to get above 22. We need to get above 21,750, really. And then we can maybe come up to the top, form a range where the 50 is, possibly get a wick up there. Basically what we did right here. We're being held down by the 21 right now. So that is the bullish case. Bearish case is that this is a quick update, by the way. It's a very quick update. We're going to talk about Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Solana. So if you guys are liking this video so far, like and subscribe to the channel. Check out the links in the description below. Bearish case is that we break 20K. Come down to 18. We break 18, 16,500 is the level I'm looking at. That would imply that the MACD continues strong downside curvature, negative momentum continues to increase on the histogram. RSI gets in the oversold direction, stays there for a while as your vol continues to increase. Let's move on to Ethereum. So here for Ethereum, lower highs, lower lows. Oh, hold on. Bitcoin could be having some sort of two drives of bullish divergence. Right here and right here. To right here and right there. So that could maybe lead us back up to the 21. We'll find out. We need to confirm low first. Same thing with Ethereum. Two drives of bullish divergence if this is a confirmed low. Remember, we were talking about 1,000 a while ago. We were talking about 1,000 right here. 1,700. We were talking about 1,000. We're basically there. Entering the oversold below that signal line. MACD fresh cross to the downside. Negative momentum is increasing on the histogram. Strong downside curvature. Vol very high. As you see, your BBWP is getting into that dark red zone. Bullish case is that we break the 50 and this VPVR point of control on VPVR point of control at 1220. Then could expect us to get a minor rejection from, it all depends on Bitcoin right now. We could get up to 1345, but that's if Bitcoin actually gets a bounce. We have not got a bounce yet. That's basically the bullish case. Bearish case, if we break $1,000, I think we come down to 650. Yeah, I know that's a hard pill to swallow, but that's the level I'm looking at. This could get a lot worse. There's a lot of economic variables happening right now that could make this a lot worse. Let's move on to Solana. Solana. Looks a little better. We have broken our purple region. So we could be initiating this descending triangle, which would have a measured move down to these lows at 26.19. I'm still looking for $23. Bullish case is that we break this 100 at 30. Basically 31. Yeah. 31 is what I'm looking at, excuse me. then I would expect us to come up to the 200, but that all depends on whether Bitcoin gets a bounce. If we do get the bounce, $35. Bearish control zone on the RSI below that signal line. Okay. MACD, fresh cross to the downside of the 0 line. Negative momentum is increasing. It's starting to look like we're going to pick up to the downside. Vol's starting to increase as you see your BBWP is continuing to expand. So there's the bullish case. The bearish case is that we come down to $23. We break $23. I think it's like $11. I do think we would come all the way down to here. $10. Maybe $9. So that's the next level I'm looking at if we break the $23 mark. Is another over 50% drop. These altcoins are going to get murdered compared to Bitcoin. So stay nimble right now. Ethereum's down 15%. Solana's down 8.5%. This is a bear market. Definitely stay nimble. If we break 20K, if we break 18K, that's when we're really in trouble. I would expect us to go down another $2,000. Worst case scenario, I think, is around 14K. But honestly, I think 16 might hold. That is where the 300 the 300 weekly moving averages, which we have wicked down before in the past. So once again, if you guys like this video, like, subscribe to the channel, and get these time sensitive updates of the market. These are time sensitive.